Hey, this is Jake, and I got a little something for you guys. Today I'd like to show a work in progress of mine. Snow Day is a BTB map which is designed for Slayer and Strongholds. However, it is mainly designed for a game type I've been working on, which is currently named Warpath. Warpath is a game mode which was in the Doom beta, where it's basically one stronghold that physically moves around the map on a set path. Players score by capturing this zone. So, by the way, I plan on changing the name of the game type for Halo 5, but I'm kind of stumped on a name. If any of you guys have an idea for a name, put a suggestion in the comments. It has two versions of the map with different skyboxes, by the way, so because Warpath also is using the Strongholds game type, I had to make separate maps. So there is like a Warpath version with a sunset skybox, and there's a regular version with Slayer and Strongholds with the midday skybox. The original inspiration for Snow Day is a map I already made, which was actually an infection map, believe it or not, which was known as Spillway in a Halo 2 Anniversary. Spillway was placed in a spillway, obviously, and had tons of makeshift skating elements. So after I made Blockus and H2A, I was actually designing a concept for a BTB Snowy Spillway skating map, which was going to mainly focus on Warthog play. My goal was to make a map that had the fairly open feel of classic BTB, where it's incredibly fun to move around in vehicles, while at the same time allow for infantry players to also have fun without getting killed in open fields all the time, all while having a large amount of human-vehicle interaction. Eventually the aesthetic and structure developed, and it changed from a snowy spillway map into a snowy town trapped in the Colorado mountains. The current power weapon setup on the map is a rocket launcher on the center retaining wall, a sniper rifle which is placed on top a snow-covered taxi, and the gravity hammer in the blue courtyard. There's also a speed boost on top of the trailer which can lead to some interesting situations. For instance, if a player is able to get the speed boost and the gravity hammer, they become a wrecking machine. The vehicle set on the map is 2 Warthogs, 1 Ghost, and 3 Mongooses. Another thing I'm experimenting with in this map is that it contains no BRs or DMRs at all, but rather it only has carbines and light rifles. I've noticed that because the carbines take the most amount of shots for a kill, that on open style maps it tends to lead to longer kill times with that weapon. Along with this, the light rifle's fastest kill time requires the player to scope in, removing their peripherals and stifling their movement, which leads to it to be a very interesting weapon for this map style. So that's what I have for today. Remember, this is a work in progress, so there is still a lot of work I have to do before I release the final version. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Laters.